Hello all you lovely computer scientists. Today we're going to be showing off a singular Python command which can make or break a program. Very literally break it, as it is the Python quit command. The command simply terminates the program that is currently actively running in. Very simple command to learn. You could literally learn it in 10 minutes with all the good use cases. Not so useful for console, but extremely useful for TK Inter and Pygame things where you might have multiple windows active at once, running off of each other. Yeah, that's it. Happy coding. Okay, so in Python, you will be running Python code. Duh. And that Python code will always have a point where you no longer want to run it. Such as being rock, paper, scissors, best of 3, one person reached 2 wins. Now, usually, for a standard console, you don't really do quitting, but the command to end a Python program is simply quit. As you can see, if I run it, runs and instantly kills itself. Now, I'm just going to put this at the end of the program, right? And he's going to be sat there. Usually, it won't do too well. Well, no, it'll do well, but usually it won't be something that you need. For console, especially. I'm just going to give an example. Just to prove it works, because to be fair, it's not very obvious like that. Simply a 1 in 3 chance for the program to go away. Alright, we'll run this a couple times, see if it ever doesn't print 1. Okay. Forgot to make it equal 1. However, that does actually work, because 1 means true, so... Didn't get 1, didn't get 1, didn't get 1, got 1. As you saw, the program quit, it went away. Now, for console, it's useless, but I find it extremely useful on things like Tinkertear, where you're using multiple different Python programs and maybe taking a function from that one into this one. You go onto this page so it runs that program. But then when you leave that page, you gotta quit the program. That's when I find quit actually useful. However, it's also useful in more versions than that. For say I had a Tinkertear program, which is larger than full screen. So they can't just click up on the top right to close the window. Instead, they would have to actually, like Alt F4, or use a button that I made, which will use the quit command to end the program. Anyway, one last show off of this. We're gonna have a simple continue variable, input, continue, if continue equals no, is that command? No. Then quit. Else print. Thanks for staying. Quickly move this one down here just so that. Yeah. So you can run the program. Our continue is a command. That's not one I've ever seen. No. Continue. We'll say yes. Okay, thanks for staying. If we say no, the program kills itself. See? Quit command. It is a little bit difficult to actually demonstrate the quit command in like a educational format. However, it's a very simple command to know, very self-explanatory. It's not like random.rand int where there's a little bit of confusion. No, quit. You read it and you know what it does. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching the video. I do hope you learned the quick command. Genuinely, when I first learned it, it took me about this much time to get my head around it. Obviously, I've clocked how to use it a bit more since then, because I learned it originally for a Tinkertailor module thing, but then I learned I could apply it to more than just that. But genuinely, it is lickety-split to learn, so yeah, this genuinely should be enough to know it decently. Thank you very much for watching the video. I do hope you learned something. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe, and especially comment, because I love learning how you learn and it helps me make better videos. Just like before, if you've got any requests or specific commands you want me to go over, I will direct you to the correct resources or make another video on them if I have not already. Thank you very much.